Hello, good morning. You're welcome back to my channel. So guys, today we're going to be doing our morning routine, a day in my life. I don't even know the one I'm going to. Anyhow, a day in my life, morning routine. So guys, how are you all doing? Hope you're fine. So let's get right into this video. So guys, I'm going to start with laundry, and here are my selected clothes. I've selected them. This one is my whites. The whites I'm going to be washing is just 3 whites. This one I'll be using soap. While this I'll be using detergent. So let's get started. So I'll put my water inside the washing machine. I use two of these buckets inside this place. And so first of all guys, I'm going to add my Dettol. The reason why I'm adding this Dettol is because I got some clothes from the market, so I have to disinfect it before wearing. I'm using sunlight. So I'm going to pour the brand of this washing machine is HISENCE. So make sure when you are putting your water inside the machine, make sure it won't exceed this point. So now my Dettol is inside and my detergent. I'm going to spray. And I'm going to start draining my clothes one by one. So I'm going to set the timing to 15 minutes. So guys, it's about offing. The cloth I've washed for 15 minutes. As you can see, it was here before and now it's here. So let's see if the clothes is washed properly. They are not too dirty, so I'm not going to wash it again. They're not too dirty. It's my clothes actually. So guys, I'm going to drain the water inside the machine out by turning it to the side. So the hose is here, but I don't know. Sometimes it do flow from the back, so I don't know why I'm disconnected from this pipe. So as you can see, the water is So when I'm done draining the water, I'm going to add another water to rinse off my clothes and spin. You can as well use this hose here for water inlet, but it's quite stressful. You understand? It's not something that I can be waiting for. So it's very stressful. So I normally use my bucket of water. I'm going to rinse it now. So we're done rinsing, and this is the water. It's not dirty. I'm going to use it for the second batch of the clothes. So this is the clothes I squeezed now. I placed them inside this spinning machine. So while your clothes is in there, I don't know what this is called, just place it here, then cover this one first, and secondly this, then my spin time is up, it's on 0. I'm going to check if my clothes is properly spinned. See, the clothes are almost dry. You understand? The reason why I'm going to spread outside is just because I'm going to spread outside just to dry it up. Spin the way. Let's do that. So see them here. They are almost dried. So guys, NEPA took the light, so I had to pause my laundry and now they brought back the light, so let's rush and finish up. I'll be using this soap. Normally I used to cut it into 3 pieces. I do cut it into 3 pieces, then soak inside the washing machine to make it soft, but I don't have that kind of time because while waiting for this soap to dissolve, NEPA will take light again, so we got to be fast. Okay, so I'm going to put it inside this place, then pour in my Dettol. So it's complete. We're going to drain the water. Let's go this way. So guys, this is the remaining soap from that king. It's actually a waste of soap. So I'm going to wash my words. So guys, when NEPA took the light, I washed the plates, as you can see. Yeah, and tidied the kitchen up. So I think I'm going to clean this gas. I'm going to clean this gas now. So guys, I'm sorry I'm saying this kind of background to end this video, but I'm so sorry for not showing you guys the end of that washing. But I know that I was just trying to be fast so that they won't take the light. This is basically what I do every day, apart from the washing. I don't normally wash every day, you understand, but this is how my life is every day. Sweep the house, tidy up the place as the washing. I wash only every Thursdays because there is always light in the morning, but other days there is no light in the morning. But this one, they even disappointed me. They brought the light and they took it normally. And again, the reason why I do laundry every Thursday is because here in Lagos we do have clean up, that's environmental in Lagos every Thursday, which starts from 6 a.m. in the morning down to 10 a.m. in the morning. So I use the opportunity to clean up everywhere, wash my dirty clothes, then come outside here in the shop. So if you're wondering where I am, I'm in the shop. So I finished shading my market, as you can see. I finished shading my market and I am here. I pray that God bring customers for me today from all the 4 corners of the world to patronize me. So guys, this is going to be the end. Give this video a huge thumbs up, thumbs this video up, okay? Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, hit that red like button down below and subscribe on your notification bell, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. I have some baby bag, like this baby bag, baby carrier.